Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best olive oil sprayer for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. ProMotion Smart Technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best olive oil sprayer for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Olive oil sprayers are an essential tool for those who prefer a controlled, even application of oil while cooking or preparing meals. They help reduce waste, control calories, and give you precision when adding olive oil to your dishes. With many options available, here's a concise guide to the best olive oil sprayers on the market. Misto Brushed Aluminum Olive Oil Sprayer. The Misto olive oil sprayer is one of the most popular and affordable options. Its simple design and ease of use make it a favorite for many home cooks. The sprayer uses a pump action to create a fine mist, allowing you to coat salads, vegetables, or meats evenly without excess oil. Evo Oil Sprayer Bottle. The Evo Oil Sprayer Bottle is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile, high-quality sprayer. It features a unique valve that produces a consistent, controlled spray. Unlike traditional aerosol sprayers, Evo's bottle doesn't rely on propellants, making it a healthier and more eco-friendly option. Cusabox Olive Oil Sprayer. If you're looking for a sprayer that offers more control, the Cusabox Olive Oil Sprayer might be the one for you. With its ergonomic design and easy-to-pump trigger, it provides a fine mist that's perfect for grilling, roasting, or salads. It's also made of durable glass, ensuring longevity. Spray Olive Oil Mister by Favia. For those who want a sleek, functional sprayer, the Favia Olive Oil Mister stands out. This model uses a pump action that creates a fine mist without any propellants. It's especially popular for those seeking an efficient sprayer for air frying or light oiling. When choosing the best olive oil sprayer, consider factors such as design, ease of use, durability, and misting performance. For an affordable option, the Misto sprayer is great, but if you're looking for something more advanced, Evo and Favia offer superior misting quality and versatility. The Cusabox is perfect for those who want a glass option that's both functional and stylish. Thanks for watching the video.